I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
Well, kind of a little bit of an echo here in the hallway. Where are we, Jen? What are we doing?
Okay, so we may have cheated. We are checking into our third, we have checked into our third Disney resort, Saratoga Springs. And we decided
I just want to emphasize this and interrupt you for a moment and say this is our third resort, right? We've stayed at 2 other resorts prior to this one. You'll understand what I mean in just a moment. So, sorry, Jen, go ahead.
So anyway, we decided since we have so much luggage, we would just bring in all of our carry-on stuff, then go back to the car and get the big suitcases. So when we came into what was supposed to be a deluxe studio, we were upgraded.
Okay, well, let's check it out, shall we?
OMG.
Well, all right, let's start off with, we are room
1511.
All right.
And I will say it is also a refurbed room. I'm so excited about this. We haven't even gotten to scope it all out yet. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. So you come in to the entryway.
And there's a mirror. Hi. Now we have a little table here for all of your things when you first come in.
Masks.
Yes, good idea.
Ugh.
Set the mask there.
Okay, shall we go to the left or shall we go to the right?
You decide.
Let's go left, shall we?
Okay. Oh, hold on. There's a little closet here. What's in the closet? Nothing, it's locked. Oh, okay. So there's something secret behind the closet. I want to know what's back there. Okay, sorry.
Okay, then we come to the left and we have a closet with a vacuum.
In case you get, you know.
The urge to house clean.
All right. And now we turn to the right.
OMG! Bathroom number 1.
With the tub shower. Look at that shower head. It's pretty sweet.
Look at the tiling.
Here you got your soap, body wash, shampoo, conditioner. So that's bathroom number 1.
And here's your vanity area.
Double sink. Huge mirror.
Ooh. With another huge closet. With extra pillows and blankets.
Wow. Now,
Then if you walk further in, we have bedroom number 1. And I say bedroom number 1 because there are more than one bedroom in this unit. This is amazing. And look at the artwork on the wall. And the headboards. This is gorgeous. And I love the color scheme of the black and white and the seafoam green.
I like the ceiling fan. That's a very cool style. We're on the first floor, so you have a clear shot right out here of courtyard area.
Okay, Joey.
There's a lamp with the dresser, a chair, nice big TV. And let us continue on. I'm already lost.
So, well, let me turn this light off. Okay, follow me. This is amazing. We could live here. Then you come into this huge kitchenette and family room area. And again, another balcony with a table and chairs.
So would this be
overlooking the courtyard and the pool.
would this be the sleeper sofa?
I would assume so, yes.
Yeah. So we have the courtyard here, and then you said the pool is back here in this area?
Looks like it's to the left.
All right, so you got the nice big TV here. All right, so is that a sleeper sofa or?
I think it's hold on.
Oh, can you get it?
Oh, yes, because I might be little, but I'm strong.
Hold on. Gotta give it a good tug. Oh, you know
Oh,
what?
that's adorable.
Yeah, but I think you actually do have to move this before you bring the bed down. So hold on a second.
No,
Here.
you shouldn't have to. It should
Well,
just go down the 2 inches.
Hold on, let me just do this. Let's try this, shall we?
You shouldn't have to.
Yeah, this has to move.
Normally you don't have to. It'll
Yeah,
go right
well,
over.
this is an older one, so this must require a little more. Because we did this over at
Oh, is
Riviera.
that adorable?
So Riviera was a little different in that you could pull the thing down. It was much easier to come down, and the table kind of folded under. This, you do have to move the table out of the way. So you definitely want to move that table out of the way before you pull the extra bed out. But yeah, check out the picture.
That's adorable. You've got Mickey and Minnie, Daisy and Donald, and Goofy. That's precious.
That is very cool. So now, hold on, let me set the camera down. Okay, so let's see about bringing this back up again.
Much easier.
Yeah. And then you just move the table back to where it's supposed to go. And this, I think,
Opens up.
check that out.
Oh,
Hold on.
cool. So you could actually turn it around and have a little desk or another eating area. If you turn this that way.
Yeah. So I don't think we caught that on camera, so if you want to just bring it back down again. You can just push. You got it? There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
They're
then.
tight, they're solid, they're not moving quickly. It comes up easier than it goes
Yeah,
back
it
down, I
does.
think. But it's not super heavy, so it was easy to move that out of the way in order to bring the bed down.
I think it's on wheels.
Could be. I mean, you know? Okay, so we're not even done yet.
No! So then.
This is some of the stuff we brought in.
We can do a little bit of laundry. Holy crap.
Wow.
Laundry detergent. I can wash some of our underwear. Oh, I'm doing it, man. I'm doing a load of laundry. I'm excited.
You're excited to be doing laundry.
So
All
then,
right, so now we have another bathroom here.
bathroom 2.
This has a stand-up shower.
Wow.
There's the toilet room with more pictures.
And then another single sink vanity and a huge shower.
So this has a stand-up shower.
Wow.
Where the other, we have, I think probably the other one was the same. It had the 2 shower heads. You got the rain shower head and then the handheld.
Beautiful.
So I think it was the same as the other, but that was a bathtub shower, but it had 2 sinks.
So then,
This has a single vanity with the stand-up shower.
then I think this is a Jack and Jill. It is, look at
Yep.
this. So then we go into bathroom number 3. Oh my gosh.
So this has a single vanity, nice mirror, and just a
Just
closet
a closet.
with the breaker panels, ironing board, iron. This one has just a tub.
A nice big soaker tub.
Yeah, it's not a jacuzzi, but it is a soaker tub.
No, maybe I need to buy a bath bomb at Basin and take a nap and take a bath while I'm doing some laundry.
Wow, so can I ask you something? Just a moment, Jennifer, just a moment. So we arrived last Friday. We stayed at the Hyatt. Then from there, we went to Destino Tower.
For 5 nights.
Which I liked, but then, okay. Then from there, we went to St. Augustine, so we had to stay at the Marriott there. That was unavoidable.
That was kind of ghetto.
Well, but it was unavoidable. We had to do that. It was family. Okay. Then we went to Old Key West, which we did enjoy, but it was just a regular little room. Now, finally, this is which one? The 5th hotel that we're staying at. We only have 1 night here. 1 night! That's all we get, and we're still not even done with the room tour.
No, look, now you've got bedroom number 2.
This is the master bedroom with a huge, ginormous king-size bed. Look at how beautiful this is.
This is amazing.
Cool mirror here on the wall.
Look at the
I like
artwork
the
above the
lamps.
bed.
And then all of this artwork.
With all the characters in it, all the horse racing.
There's Donald and Daisy.
This is crazy.
There's Goofy. Who's on this one in the middle? Welcome to Saratoga Springs. Is that anyone? Nope, that's just a regular picture of a horse. Sorry, I can't see from this far away. Then here, that's so hysterical. You got Pluto swimming. Jen, have you seen this?
Yeah. This is so freaking cute. I can't even stand it.
And there's Mickey and Minnie racing on horses.
So I'm sleeping in here. Where are you sleeping?
Right in here, right next to you. I think there
You don't
might
want to
be,
have your own room?
I think there might be enough room in this bed for the two of us. And you still not done. We have a little chair here with the ottoman and another view of the courtyard out here. Oops. Try not to bang my camera against the glass, but there's another view of the courtyard. Dresser with another big TV.
This is crazy.
So can we just extend our stay? Can we just stay for another week and just live here for a week? Didn't even show the kitchen. So didn't even get to the kitchen. So we're still not done with the room tour. Here's the sink. We got Mr. Coffee pot with some coffee and tea choices. You have a good sized stove with the microwave, toaster, and a full-size fridge.
Oh, maybe I'm doing it the wrong way.
There's your freezer. And there's the fridge. So you know what's going to go good in this fridge, Jen?
Our bottle of wine?
Our bottle of wine. We need to pop that in there sooner than later so we can have a nice glass sitting out on
Our patio.
our little patio out here where we have chairs and a table.
This-
So I do believe we are going to be doing that very soon. Wow.
This was some amazing pixie dust.
So this is the first time I'm staying here. This is going to be a tough act to beat.
When I stayed here before, I just had a regular room.
And it was like way far away. This is a huge resort.
It was in the carousel section.
Yeah, and this is a section that's closer to Disney Springs.
Congress Park. 2-bedroom, 3-bath suite. This is amazing. This was OMG
Yeah,
amount of pixie dust.
yeah. Really not too bad. I like it. Let me just get a shot here from this side so you could see everything again. So here's one more shot from this side so you could see everything. I think there might be 2 light bulbs out in that chandelier though.
Yeah, it looks like there might be.
And look at the good sized TV. It's really nice. This is really incredibly nice.
Really pretty.
So this is a room, Jen.
It's not a room, Joe. It's an apartment.
This is amazing. And for the first time that I'm staying here, we've been upgraded
A lot.
a couple of times,
A
but
lot.
it's been to concierge level, not to a room of this size, have we?
No,
Did
we have been upgraded to concierge level at the Grand Floridian
Yeah.
and the Contemporary.
Yeah.
We have also been given room upgrades with better views at the Polynesian, to have views of Cinderella's castle. But this is the first time we've had a room size upgrade, and this is substantial.
Yeah, we
paid for I think a deluxe studio, and this is a 2-bedroom suite.
We've had upgrades at different hotels, different places, like with Hilton, but this is the first time with Disney that we've been upgraded to a room of this size. Now, this is not the Roy Disney suite at the Grand Floridian. We are not that lucky,
Like some other people we know.
but this is pretty sweet, I have to admit. So, yeah, I'm ready to move in. You ready to move in?
I'm ready to move in.
Can
Go
you-
get the bags from the car.
Can you imagine if you actually lived in here
No.
and you were that many steps away from Disney Springs?
No.
You and George would be best buddies.
I know.
Yeah, I know. So, all right, this is it. This is a really excellent way to wrap up this trip, to stay here, even if it's only one night. Very grateful that we have this, honestly. So, all right.
I just burped.
Oh, good job, Jen.
I was drinking a root beer after our Surrey bike experience.
Classy to the end. All right, well, do your thing.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because now you don't want to miss when Jen and Joe are upgraded.
I know. I don't want to miss it. This room is freaking amazing. This is like better than any apartment I've ever had in my life.
We can have our own rooms tonight.
I know. No, wait a minute. I thought we were going to sleep in it. Oh, whatever.
I'll sleep with you.
Gee, thanks, honey. All right, talk to you later.
I'm just saying.
If your snoring gets too loud, yeah, I'm going into the other room. All right, talk to you later.
Bye.